mermaid and the unicorn. What a cute fairy tale duo. And they have a lot more in common than you think. Pinky the unicorn lives in a cute kingdom of clouds. It's white and sparkly and fluffy. Pinky is having colorful unicorn dreams right now. Rainbows, sunshine, and unicorn friends. But it's time to wake up and start a new day. Pinky is always in a good mood in the morning. Of course she is. She always has such happy dreams. Hey, Cloud! What have we got planned for today? Sophia the mermaid has her own sea cove here. It's cool, a little dark, and full of water. Mermaids sleep well in this environment. They don't need rainbows or clouds. Speaking of water, I'm kind of thirsty. A couple of gallons of water right after waking up is the #1 rule of every mermaid. That's better. I can get out of bed. Will Sophia ever be able to ignore the mirror? Long, thick hair is her pride and joy. And those gorgeous locks need care. Yes, Sophia brushes her hair with a fork, just like Ariel. It's time to go to college. And the unicorn isn't there yet. Hello, Pinky, are you coming? She's probably doing 3 hours worth of sparkly rainbow makeup again. How can you spend so much time in front of the mirror? But something is actually wrong. A horseshoe fell off her favorite shoes. How am I going to ride to college now? Give me your shoes. We'll think of something. Sophia is great with a hammer. That pretty mermaid has very strong fins. Done! You can see she has skills. Perfect horseshoes for the perfect unicorn. Thank you, babe. I need to go. Hang on a sec. But Pinky forgot something. Hey, what about me? Sophia can't get to college alone. She's got a tail. Mr. Justin is starting his class. We have some magical new students in our class this semester. Let's meet the new girls. Hi, I'm Pinky. I'm a unicorn! The classroom became so bright and sunny. Pinky always brings that atmosphere with her. Wow. Her classmates are in shock. Wow! Is it normal for her to sparkle like that? And there's another new student, Sophia. Blub blub. It's hard for a mermaid to talk unless she's underwater. That's why Sophia prefers to be silent. Does she have a tail? Wow! Pinky will always support her best friend. You are so great at walking on your fins. Here comes the girls' first challenge. Pinky, go to the board. Me? Why? These equations seem so complicated. But she's studied hard. She can do it. I just wish I could find some chalk. It's nowhere to be found. But why would she need it? She's got that horn. Pinky learned a lot of tricks at unicorn school. But today, things didn't go according to plan. Pinky can scribble the right answer. But instead of a magic sound, the horn makes a horrible screech. Oh no! Our ears! It hurts! Mr. Justin has to save the whole class! Pinky, sit back down! Oops! I guess Pinky didn't consider that the board also has to be magical for the horn trick. Well, it's time to get used to the fact that things are different at this school. Before the next class, you need a good snack. Pinky is happy with her food. She has a whole mountain of gummies and marshmallows. Those are Unicorn's favorite treats. So good! But the problem is, Sophia didn't bring her lunchbox. Do I have to go hungry till tonight? Oh, I forgot to feed the fish. This is the school president. She takes care of the school fish tank. This is the snack Sophia has been dreaming about all morning. But it would be rude to pounce on the fish food in front of everyone. Look, there's a unicorn! What unicorn? I won't have a riot in my school. And while the president is dealing with Pinky, you can take advantage of the situation and get a good meal. This is delicious! But a good school president won't let anyone steal the fish food. Sophia will have to wait for dinner after all. Yay! There's a dance battle on TV! Sophia loves dancing! This is her favorite move! is so graceful. But when it comes to moving her legs, the mermaid is powerless. How can she do that with this huge tail? Her chances are ruined. She won't get world famous for dancing. But you'll never be able to do this. What kind of dancing style is that? Sophia is very pleased with herself. She definitely has a chance to be a star. Pinky doesn't need dancing. Her favorite hobby is drawing. She's always on the lookout for creative ideas. No, still life is too boring. The best thing an artist can draw is a rainbow. Let's create a masterpiece. The only tools she has are a roller and tubes of acrylic paint. Squeeze out 1 drop of paint of each color onto the roller. Now you can paint. Woohoo! A bright rainbow appears on the canvas. This artwork should take the best place on the wall. Oh, Pinky already has a whole rainbow collection here. Well, she is a unicorn. This is a very important moment. Sophia is cleaning off the excess scales on her tail. It's pretty overgrown, and it could use some upkeep. Waxing won't help here. Only a good old-fashioned razor will do the job. There we go. All it takes is a little trim on those scales. But it'll take an hour to clean up. That's the cost of beauty. Pinky never goes to the gym unless someone uses a delicious vanilla cupcake as bait. Help yourself, but you'll have to work off the calories now. It's all for nothing. There's no way the stubborn unicorn will work out. How about offering her a rainbow carrot? That's a different story. There's no way Pinky would turn down a treat like that. You just need to upgrade that treadmill a bit first. Done! Pinky, now try to catch your carrot. Unicorns never give up. Pinky would run 100 miles to get to her rainbow carrot. All right, way to go, honey! And now you can exercise on your own. The mermaid's tail has to be in great shape. Unfortunately, Sophia can't reach the second pedal, but she's used to it by now. Today, the friends are doing their best in the gym. You never know where your allergies will get you. What's that smell? Tears and a runny nose. Having allergies is hard. That's right, there's broccoli in here. It's Sophia's favorite meal. But unicorns begin to sneeze uncontrollably when they smell vegetables. Achoo! Yes, Pinky sneezes rainbow candy. Classic unicorn. Pinky's mood is ruined, and so is Sophia's dinner. She's not going to eat it now, right? Aww! Sophia and Pinky are on dates with their boyfriends. This is so romantic. Here comes the waiter with their order. Sushi? Jack made an unforgivable mistake. How could he have ordered fish for the mermaid? Just looking at it made her nauseous. You jerk! How could you? Jack shouldn't expect a kiss from Sophia tonight. All he's going to get is a couple of tail slaps. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Romance will never come back to this relationship. Hey! Hurry up and get it out of here! And Pinky and Brandon aren't having any drama. The date is going just fine. Honey, this is for you. Thank you. They're beautiful and they smell so nice. But never leave a unicorn alone with beautiful flowers. They are so delicious. Brandon shouldn't get distracted. 2 minutes and the bouquet is destroyed. Brandon is a little shocked. What's wrong with you, Pinky? A good girl shouldn't eat flowers. I don't think this relationship is going anywhere. Brandon can't understand the unicorn's delicate soul. What a shame. The only thing that can save her is this delicious dessert. It's a compliment from the chef. That's sweet. Oh, he's a unicorn too. What an unexpected meeting. This could become a happy rainbow relationship. And who will fix the mermaid's broken heart? Here's a good candidate. It's Triton, the lord of the seas and oceans, the man of her dreams. And he wouldn't mind talking to this cute mermaid who's sitting there all alone. The girls seem happy. That's a happy ending. Everything is how it should be. Did Did you like our Rainbow Sea story? Which of these fairy tale characters would you vote for? Sophia the Mermaid or Pinky the Unicorn? Tell us in the comments. And be sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss more funny sketches about Unicorn and Mermaid on Troom Select.